Today, I'm going to teach you how to create entity relationship ER diagrams using ChatGPT AI, Mermaid, and Draw.io. This is incredibly useful if you need to visualize database structures or plan out complex systems without spending hours drawing everything manually. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to chatgpt.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the familiar chat interface where you can type your prompts. Here's where the magic starts. In the text field, type a prompt like Create Mermaid ER Diagram Script Customer Support System. Be specific about what kind of system or database structure you need, as this helps ChatGPT generate a more accurate and useful diagram code. Press Enter and let ChatGPT do its work. Within moments, you'll see it generate a block of code written in the Mermaid syntax. This code is essentially a text-based representation of your ER diagram, defining entities, attributes, and relationships in a structured format. Now, look for the Copy Code button, which usually appears right above or below the code block that ChatGPT generated. Click on it to copy the entire Mermaid script to your clipboard. This step is crucial because you'll need this exact code in the next platform we're moving to. With the code copied, it's time to switch over to Draw.io. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to Draw.io. This is a free versatile diagramming tool that supports a wide range of formats, including Mermaid. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with the main canvas area where you can start creating diagrams. Next, locate the plus icon on the toolbar. This icon is your gateway to inserting various elements into your diagram. Click on it, and a menu will appear with several options for adding different types of content. From this menu, select Mermaid. This option allows you to import and render Mermaid syntax directly within Draw.io, transforming your text-based code into a visual diagram. A dialog box will pop up with a field where you can paste your code. Go ahead and paste the Mermaid code that you copied from ChatGPT into this field. Make sure the entire code is pasted correctly, as any missing characters could affect how the diagram renders. Once you've pasted it, click the Insert button. Draw.io will process the code and instantly generate your ER diagram on the canvas, complete with entities, attributes, and relationships all neatly laid out. And that's it. You've just created a professional entity relationship diagram using AI and Mermaid code in just a few simple steps. You can now customize the diagram further in Draw.io, adjusting colors, shapes, or layout to suit your needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.